Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where your dream homes come to life. Today, we invite you to explore one of Northern California's most magnificent luxury estates, a $3,200,000 masterpiece located at 10,830 Sheldon Woods Way, Elk Grove. This extraordinary 6-bedroom, 6-bath home spreads across 9,400 square feet of pure elegance, nestled on 5 acres of beautifully landscaped land. As the drone rises over the private gated driveway, you'll see the lush green lawns, the grand facade, and the California sunlight dancing across this timeless piece of architecture. Step through the handcrafted double doors, and you'll feel the warmth of old-world craftsmanship blended with modern luxury. The cathedral-style ceilings with exposed wooden beams, the imported finishes, and the open-concept design create a space that feels both grand and welcoming. The living area, filled with natural light pouring through massive glass windows, is the perfect setting for family gatherings, cozy evenings, or simply a quiet escape. Every corner of this home reflects sophistication, from the intricate woodwork to the elegant chandeliers that light up the space with golden hues. Moving into the heart of the home, the kitchen, you'll find a chef's dream brought to life. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops with chilled edges, custom cabinetry, a massive central island with a farmhouse sink, and an adjoining butler's kitchen designed for seamless entertaining. Just beyond, the formal dining space sets the scene for unforgettable dinners, framed by wide windows that overlook the estate's gardens. The master suite offers the ultimate retreat: soft neutral tones, warm lighting, and peaceful outdoor views. The spa-style bathroom features marble flooring, a freestanding tub, and gold-accented fixtures that shimmer under soft light. This isn't just a bedroom, it's your personal sanctuary. Inside the home, entertainment reaches new heights. A private movie theater, an indoor batting cage, a fitness gym, a sauna, and a recreation room ensure that every day can feel like a resort experience. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying time with family, there's something special in every space. Step outside, and the magic continues. 5 acres of private paradise unfold before you, a swimming pool and spa glistening under the California sun, a tennis court waiting for your next match, an outdoor kitchen and bar perfect for summer nights, a pond, a putting green, and even horse stables with a barn for equestrian lovers. Every detail of this estate has been designed to capture the essence of outdoor luxury living. As golden hour sets, the sunlight paints every wall with warmth, and the reflection on the pool completes the picture of serenity and grandeur. This isn't just a residence, it's a lifestyle statement, a celebration of passion, craftsmanship, and luxury. Their dedication to showcasing California's most beautiful homes continues to inspire viewers across the nation. If this home inspires your dream of luxury living, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with American Dream Mansions, where every home tells a story, and every story begins with a dream.